Alright, so we'll be unboxing this COOSPO BK805 cycling speed and cadence sensor. So this is a Bluetooth ANT Plus speed and cadence LED IP67. So this is a waterproof. So the model is a BK805, operated at 3 volts at 0.66 milliwatts. So at the back portion, Chinese and mixed. So this is a COOSPO smartphone or bike computer. Binili ko to kasi compatible sa Garmin daw, kasi merong ANT Plus. So yung Garmin ko na head unit is merong ANT Plus. So this is unboxing video. So COOSPO is a new company, bali I choose this because this is for the speed and dito may cadence. So isang sensor na lang instead of gumamit ka ng dalawa. So what's inside the box? So all about passion. So this is a new company. Ngayon ko lang to narinig. So decent yung box. Ganda. Ayan, COOSPO. Unboxing yan. So what's inside? No more. So ito, speed cadence. So medyo malaki yung tapos malaki yung sensor. So mayroong battery. Yan. Yan yung sensor. So yan, so open battery compartment. Ito yung sa speed. So adjustable. So may Allen key siya. COOSPO. So ginagamit ko to sa bike trainer. Ayan. Fit muna natin what's inside the box. Inside a sealable. So couple of tie wraps to permanently fix this sa bike. Tapos yan. So, set of tie wraps and mount. Ito mount sa ito. Then ito may plastic. So need to figure it is para saan to. Tapos ito Allen key. Ito yung magnet. Tapos siguro magnet rin. So dalawang magnet, isang flat, tsaka itong isang para sa spoke. Bali ito yung ilalagay sa spoke. Yan. Tapos ito magnet. Square magnet siya. Yan. Magnet. Yan. Tapos this is a rubber. So para sa mounting ng dito. So pwede mo siya i-mount as sa temporary as using this rubber, or fixed using this tie wrap. So inside the user manual, merong user manual. Yan. So dalawang magnet sa spoke tsaka sa tapos itong rubber to square. Yan. So dito sa manual naman, ayan, kailangan ilagay. So may rubber band. So ganito yung pag-mount niya. So very clear naman yung instruction paano siya. So ito pala yung So yun nga, what's inside the box, check lang natin. So isang crank magnet. So crank magnet is ito po yun. Crank magnet. Yan. Ito pala yung crank magnet yung tawag. Tapos, spoke magnet. Tapos, rubber band for the main device. Yan. Tapos, rubber pad for the main device. Tapos, ito, battery cover tool. So, battery cover tool daw. Tapos, Allen key. Yan. Tapos, cable ties. 6. Tapos, user manual. So, ito yung binabasa natin. So, that's the COOSPO BK805. So, that's the unboxing video. For the pairing and use of this, gagawa ko ng ibang video. So, yun. Thank you guys. And if you learned something, please like and subscribe this channel. Okay?